Before we dive into the topic of cholesterol-lowering supplements, it's important to note that supplements should not be used as a replacement for a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's also crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you are currently taking medications for high cholesterol. The information presented in this video is based on double-blind meta-research studies and is for informational purposes only. This video is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 scientifically proven cholesterol-lowering supplements, including berberine. We'll explore the benefits of each supplement and back up our claims with double-blind meta-research. Supplement number 1. Plant sterols and stanol studies have shown that plant sterols and stanols can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 14%. This is supported by a double-blind meta-analysis of 41 randomized controlled trials. Supplement number 2. Psyllium fiber is a soluble fiber that has been shown to significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels by an average of 7%. A double-blind meta-analysis of 28 randomized controlled trials found that psyllium fiber supplementation was effective in lowering cholesterol levels. Supplement number 3. Berberine is a natural compound that has been found to have cholesterol-lowering properties. A double-blind meta-analysis of 14 randomized controlled trials found that berberine supplementation reduced LDL cholesterol levels by an average of 18.1 mg per deciliter and total cholesterol levels by an average of 29.1 mg per deciliter. Berberine works by inhibiting an enzyme in the liver called PCSK9, which leads to increased LDL receptor expression and subsequently, increased LDL clearance from the bloodstream. Supplement number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and lowering cholesterol levels. A double-blind meta-analysis of 18 randomized controlled trials found that omega-3 supplementation reduced triglyceride levels by 15.0 mg per deciliter and LDL cholesterol levels by 4.5 mg per deciliter. 4. Supplement number 5. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, has been used for decades to treat high cholesterol. It works by inhibiting the production of VLDL cholesterol, a precursor to LDL cholesterol. A double-blind meta-analysis of 10 randomized controlled trials found that niacin supplementation reduced LDL cholesterol levels by an average of 10.3 mg per deciliter and total cholesterol levels by an average of 15.6 mg per deciliter. 5. In summary, these 5 cholesterol-lowering supplements are backed by double-blind meta-research and can be effective in lowering LDL cholesterol levels. However, they should be used as a supplement to a healthy diet and lifestyle, not a replacement for it. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.